So now there are a few steps that you have to complete in order to deploy the agent. First, you have to download this zip file, download it, and afterwards you have to enter this link, wrike assistant. Yeah, you have to create a new agent, name it however you like, and then enter its settings here. Under export import, you have to import from zip or restore from zip. Then you have all the settings here prepared. Now under fulfillment tab, you have to provide the link where the Node.js server runs. So replace this link with one on your server. Then you have to enter this link. All the links are also in the description. Here you have account linking. Under develop tab, account linking. You want to make sure that all the settings are like here. You have to provide some information here about the OAuth client. You can find them under this tab in wrike, where you created the app, and you copy paste from it there. And one more important thing, here under the app wrike, you have to provide the array direct URI. It's pretty much this link here with the project ID at its end. The project ID may be viewed under settings right here. You have another unique ID when you create the assistant. Okay, so now I think everything is set up on this web part. You'll have to now download the repository, extract it, and you'll have to add a new folder with the HTTPS certificates that you own for your domain, like copy. So it is a folder named certificates with two keys inside, ser.pem and key.key, and those represent the SSL certificates for your domain. And then you'll have to make a small adjustment here. You have this client ID. You should take that ID and replace with what you have here, client ID for wrike app, and then you're ready to run the server. Don't forget to install the dependencies. This may take a while. Now that you have all the modules installed, the server should be ready to go. No errors, so that's fine. Yeah. Alright, now the server is running, everything is fine. You should check out one more thing. If you have all those things here under actions, if they're not all things here, you have to add them manually under the integration tab here. Google Assistant, I suppose, yeah. And you can add something like help here. You just say help. Basically, those intents are called when you say I want to create a task or something like that, and the Google Assistant will suggest that wrike would gladly help you to do that. And this thing should pretty much be there anyways. Okay, so afterwards you should test to check if the agent runs properly. You can do it like here, the location, talk to wrike. First time you have to log in.
Alright,
I'm already
let's get
logged
the
in.
test version of wrike.
Welcome to Wrike Assistant. How may I help you?
So you should also pass a successful login before being able to actually call the intents. So you should add something like what projects are due today, let's say.
There are no deadlines in that interval.
If you get something like this, or the actual project that have a deadline in an interval, you're pretty much fine, and you can go to the next step where I can help you that much. You have to follow the instructions here to deploy your agent, and yeah, you should pretty much complete all these things. You have to have a privacy policy. In any case, the agent doesn't store any data, it only links the account, and here should be the right privacy policy, contact details, images. You might want to have some like this to display on the agent, maybe this one on the store, I'm not really sure. And anyways, after you complete this deploy step, the agent will be publicly available to Google users. You also have to confirm the trademark and stuff like that. Anyways, that's pretty much it, I would say. So good luck, and for any questions you can always email me. See you.